The 8 best ways to get six-pack abs fast. If you are new in this channel, press the like and subscribe first. Whether you're aiming to achieve your fitness goals or simply want to look good in a swimsuit, acquiring a sculpted set of six-pack abs is a goal shared by many. Getting a six-pack requires dedication and hard work, but you don't have to hit the gym 7 days a week or become a professional bodybuilder to do so. Instead, a few modifications to your diet and lifestyle can be enough to produce serious, long-lasting results. Here are 8 simple ways to achieve six-pack abs quickly and safely. 1. Do more cardio. Cardio, also called aerobic exercise, is any form of exercise that increases your heart rate. Regularly incorporating cardio into your routine can help you burn extra fat and speed your way to a set of six-pack abs. Studies show that cardio is especially effective when it comes to reducing belly fat, which can help make your abdominal muscles more visible. One small study showed that doing cardio exercise 3 to 4 times per week significantly decreased belly fat in 17 men, one trusted source. Another review of 16 studies found that the more cardio exercise people did, the greater amount of belly fat they lost, two trusted source. Try to get in at least 20 to 40 minutes of moderate to vigorous activity per day, or between 150 to 300 minutes per week, 3 trusted source. Activities like running, walking, biking, swimming or engaging in your favorite sports are just a few easy ways to fit cardio into your day. 2. Exercise your abdominal muscles. The rectus abdominis is the long muscle that extends vertically along the length of your abdomen. Although most well known as the muscle that creates the appearance of the six-pack, it's also necessary for breathing, coughing and bowel movements. Other abdominal muscles include the internal and external obliques and the transverse abdominis. Exercising these muscles is key to increasing muscle mass and achieving six-pack abs. However, keep in mind that abdominal exercises alone are unlikely to decrease belly fat. For example, one study found that doing abdominal exercises 5 days per week for 6 weeks had no effect on belly fat in 24 women, 4 trusted source. Instead, be sure to pair your abdominal exercises with a healthy diet and regular cardio to boost fat burning and maximize results. Abdominal crunches, bridges and planks are a few of the most popular exercises that can help strengthen your abdominal muscles and create the appearance of six-pack abs. 3. Increase your protein intake. Upping your intake of high-protein foods can help promote weight loss, fight belly fat and support muscle growth on your road to six-pack abs. According to one study, consuming high-protein meals helped increase feelings of fullness and promote appetite control in 27 overweight and obese men, 5 trusted source. Another study showed that people who increased protein intake by just 15% decreased their calorie intake and saw significant decreases in body weight and body fat, 6 trusted source. Consuming protein after working out can also help repair and rebuild muscle tissues as well as aid in muscle recovery, 7 trusted source, 8 trusted source. Plus, one study even found that a high-protein diet helped preserve both metabolism and muscle mass during weight loss, 9 trusted source. Meat, poultry, eggs, seafood, dairy products, legumes, nuts and seeds are just a few examples of healthy, high-protein foods that you can add to your diet. If you don't like this video yet, press the like button fast. 4. Try high-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a form of exercise that involves alternating between intense bursts of activity and short recovery periods. HIIT keeps your heart rate up and increases fat burning. Adding HIIT into your routine can boost weight loss and make it even easier to get six-pack abs. One study showed that young men who performed HIIT training for 20 minutes 3 times per week lost an average of 4.4 pounds, 2 kilograms, and saw a 17% decrease in belly fat over a 12-week period, 10 trusted source. Similarly, another study found that 17 women who did HIIT twice per week for 16 weeks had an 8% decrease in total belly fat, 11 trusted source. One of the simplest ways to try HIIT at home is to switch between walking and sprinting for 20 to 30 seconds at a time. You can also try alternating between high-intensity exercises like jumping jacks, mountain climbers and burpees with a short break in between. 5. Stay hydrated. Water is absolutely crucial to just about every aspect of health. It plays a role in everything from waste removal to temperature regulation. Staying well hydrated may also help bump up your metabolism, burn extra belly fat and make it easier to get a set of six-pack abs. In fact, one study found that drinking 500 milliliters of water temporarily increased energy expenditure by 24% for up to 60 minutes after eating. 12 Trusted source. Other research shows that drinking water may also reduce your appetite and increase weight loss. One study with 48 middle-aged and older adults found that people who drank water before each meal lost 44% more weight over a 12-week period than those who didn't. 13 Trusted source. Water requirements can vary based on a variety of factors, including age, body weight and activity level. However, most research recommends drinking around 1 to 2 liters 34 to 68 ounces of water per day to stay well hydrated. 6. Stop eating processed food. Heavily processed foods like chips, cookies, crackers and convenience foods are typically high in calories, carbs, fat and sodium. Not only that, these foods are typically low in key nutrients such as fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals. Nixing these unhealthy junk foods from your diet and swapping them for whole foods can increase weight loss, reduce belly fat and help you achieve a set of six-pack abs. This is because it takes more energy to digest whole foods rich in protein and fiber, which can burn more calories and keep your metabolism up. 14 Trusted source. The nutrients in whole foods, like protein and fiber, also keep you feeling fuller to curb cravings and aid in weight loss. 15 Trusted source. 16 Trusted source. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains and legumes are all nutritious alternatives to prepackaged convenience items like frozen meals, baked goods and salty snacks. 7. Cut back on refined carbs. Cutting back on your consumption of refined carbohydrates can help you lose extra fat and gain six-pack abs. Refined carbs lose most of their vitamins, minerals and fiber during processing, resulting in a final product that is low in nutritional value. Eating lots of refined carbs can cause spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to increased hunger and food intake. 17 Trusted source. Eating plenty of whole grains, on the other hand, has been linked to a reduced waist circumference and lower body weight. 18 Trusted source. In fact, one study found that people who ate a high amount of refined grains tended to have a higher amount of belly fat compared to those who ate more whole grains. 19 Trusted source. Swap out refined carbs from foods like pastries, pastas and processed foods and instead enjoy whole grains such as brown rice, barley, bulgur and couscous to help support satiety and burn belly fat. 8. Fill up on fiber. Adding more high-fiber foods into your diet is one of the simplest methods for increasing weight loss and achieving six-pack abs. Soluble fiber moves through the gastrointestinal tract undigested and can help slow the emptying of the stomach to make you feel fuller for longer. 20 Trusted source. In fact, one review found that increasing fiber intake by 14 grams per day was linked to a 10% decrease in calorie intake and 4.2 pounds (1.9 kilograms) of weight loss. 21 Trusted source. Research shows that getting enough fiber in your diet may also prevent weight gain and fat accumulation. One study showed that for each 10-gram increase of soluble fiber taken daily, participants lost 3.7% of belly fat over 5 years without making any other modifications in terms of diet or exercise. 22 Trusted source. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds are just a few healthy, high-fiber foods that you can add to your diet to help burn belly fat. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. You have any question, comment below to feel free.